Presenting the Huawei Watch Fit smartwatch with slim body, 1.64 Vivid AMOLED display, quick workout animations, 10 days battery life, oxygen saturation detection, heart rate monitoring, secure pink, free size. It comes in color options of Isle Blue, Graphite Black, and Secure Pink. It supports professional workout data including VO2 Max, training effects and real-time metrics and professional guidance with premium smartwatch, activity tracker. It also has 96 workout modes and independent GPS that supports long run. The delivery box contains charging cable and watch, charging dock and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.